Hey there! So, you're facing a bit of a problem with setting up remote SSH connections to your computer. Huh? Let's dive into this and see how we can get things sorted out for you. The solution to your issue lies in the fact that the IP you see on your router is different from the IP shown on sites like whatismyipaddress.com. This discrepancy usually indicates the presence of another layer of NAT, possibly on your modem or more commonly implemented by your ISP. The private IP addresses and the 100.6410 address range are clear indicators of CGNAT, which restricts your ability to receive new incoming connections. Unfortunately, CGNAT typically means your public IP address is assigned very temporarily from a NAT pool, making it challenging to establish remote connections. Now, to overcome this CGNAT limitation, you'll need to acquire a dedicated IP address from your ISP or consider tunneling from another provider. Your router's configuration won't resolve this issue, so reaching out to your ISP for a dedicated IP is your best bet for enabling smooth remote access. In summary, the CGNAT setup by your ISP is creating obstacles for establishing remote connections to your computer. By obtaining a dedicated IP address from your ISP, you can bypass the limitations imposed by CGNAT and ensure seamless remote access. I hope this sheds some light on your situation and helps you navigate through the challenges you're facing. Remember, stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!